The vault is empty. The largest gold reserve in the United States under scrutiny as fraud suspicions reach unbearable levels. Elon Musk has demanded an immediate audit, joining the voices questioning whether the gold bars still exist. The doubts are not new, but the pressure has increased to the point that the American elite can no longer ignore the accusations. If the gold is not where it should be, the impact could shake markets and unleash an unprecedented financial earthquake. What are the authorities hiding? The gold has disappeared. Elon Musk has ignited a spark that threatens to turn into an uncontrollable fire within the circles of power in the United States. In an unexpected move, the magnate has demanded a full and immediate audit of Fort Knox, the vault that stores half of the country's gold reserves. The question that no one in the political and financial elite wants to answer has now been exposed. Is the gold still there, or has it been secretly diverted? Musk's demand is neither mere curiosity nor a media stunt. His post on X, the social network he now controls, has shaken both Washington and Wall Street. Who can confirm that no gold has been stolen from Fort Knox? Maybe it's there, maybe it's not. The gold belongs to the American public. We want to know it's still there, wrote the entrepreneur. His words inevitably reflect the growing skepticism among citizens toward the institutions responsible for safeguarding the nation's wealth. Musk has found support from various sectors, especially among those who have spent years questioning the opacity with which the government manages its gold reserves. Rand Paul, a Republican senator from Kentucky, was quick to back the request, demanding an immediate investigation. He has voiced concern that annual audits of this gold reserve are not conducted, sparking a wave of speculation that Fort Knox may have been emptied without anyone knowing. The U.S. Mint claims that the amount of gold in the vault stands at 147.3 million ounces, but the last time a public inspection was allowed was in 1974. Since then, access has been denied even to senators and high-ranking officials who have requested to enter and verify the existence of the precious metal. Why this level of secrecy? What is the government hiding? The refusal to conduct a transparent audit has only fueled suspicions that something is amiss. Fort Knox's historical background is key to understanding the magnitude of this scandal. During World War II, the vault not only safeguarded American gold, but also that of several European nations, fearing that German extremists would seize their reserves. Over time, Fort Knox became a symbol of stability and wealth. However, in the last 50 years, its contents have become a mystery. In 2017, then Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin visited the facility and posted on social media that the gold was secure, but without providing concrete evidence. Now, with increasing pressure from Musk and Paul, the myth of Fort Knox may be on the verge of collapsing, along with the credibility of the U.S. economy, already on shaky ground. The impact of this controversy extends far beyond the political realm. International gold markets have reacted nervously to the possibility that an audit could reveal inconsistencies in the U.S. reserves. If it is discovered that the gold is not where it should be, the consequences could be catastrophic. Confidence in the dollar would be severely affected, and the U.S. financial system would face an unprecedented crisis. The Federal Reserve, which relies heavily on the credibility of gold as backing, would be in an unsustainable position. International investors could lose faith in U.S. Treasury bonds and seek alternatives in currencies backed by tangible assets, such as the Chinese yuan or even physical gold. The political elite, instead of calming concerns, has chosen to remain silent, only exacerbating the uncertainty. Elon Musk, who holds a key position in the government through the Department of Government Efficiency, has made it clear that he has no intention of backing down in his demand for transparency. His insistence on auditing Fort Knox has not only put the American elites in a bind, but has also created divisions within their own ranks. Some lawmakers see Musk's initiative as a threat to the stability of the financial system, while others view it as an opportunity to expose potential corruption. As the controversy grows, the central question remains unanswered. What happened to Fort Knox's gold? There are several theories, some more alarming than others. One possibility is that part of the reserves were used as collateral in secret international agreements without Congress or the public being informed. Another hypothesis suggests that the gold was diverted to fund covert government operations abroad. There is also suspicion that the gold has not been audited because it has not been in the vault for decades. Without a real audit, everything remains in the realm of speculation. U.S. allies are closely watching this crisis unfold. If it is confirmed that the gold reserves have been manipulated, the dollar could lose its status as the world's reserve currency, drastically weakening Washington's influence on the global stage. China and Russia, nations that have significantly increased their own gold reserves in recent years, could seize the moment to strengthen their economies and attract other nations into an alternative financial system. Meanwhile, Musk continues fueling the debate. His social media activity has not ceased, and he continues demanding answers. He has shared memes mocking the situation and has made it clear that he will not stop until a real audit is conducted. The Trump administration, for its part, faces a difficult dilemma. If an audit is carried out and the reserves are intact, the White House can breathe a sigh of relief. But if any discrepancy is discovered, the repercussions will be devastating. American citizens will lose the last shred of confidence they have in their government. Financial markets will descend into chaos, and the global financial system's stability will be thrown into question. The future of this crisis remains uncertain, but one thing is clear. The trust in the U.S. financial system is at stake. Musk's accusations have opened a door that can no longer be easily closed. Without transparency, doubts will only grow. And if the gold has disappeared, as more and more Americans suspect, the country will face a political and economic earthquake from which it could take decades to recover. The controversy surrounding Fort Knox's gold reserves has escalated to a point where ignoring it is no longer an option. With Elon Musk demanding transparency and high-ranking officials echoing his concerns, the credibility of the U.S. financial system hangs in the balance. If an audit confirms that the gold is intact, the government can restore some level of trust. However, if the suspicions prove valid and discrepancies emerge, the fallout could be catastrophic. A loss of confidence in the U.S. dollar, panic in global markets, and an irreversible shift in economic power could follow. The secrecy surrounding Fort Knox for decades has only fueled skepticism, and without definitive proof of the reserve's existence, doubts will continue to grow. The American people, investors, and international allies deserve answers. Transparency is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. If the government refuses to act, public pressure must escalate until a full and independent audit is conducted. The world is watching, and the consequences of inaction could reshape the global financial landscape forever. If you found this investigation eye-opening, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest secrets the elites don't want you to know. Do you think the gold is still in Fort Knox, or has it been taken away in secret? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you want to see more shocking revelations about how governments manipulate financial systems, check out our next video. Trust me, you won't believe what we uncovered.